Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you.
Now, this DIY is so simple. I picked up one of these little canister jars from the Dollar Tree. It's a square shape and it's nice and kind of flat. And I picked up some more fairy garden items. This is the flamingo and the palm tree. And then the only one I have left is one of the black solar lights. So we're going to make that work by attaching it to the inside of the lid. Again, I don't want these guys to fall over once I put it together, so I just hot glue down the flamingo and the palm tree, kind of alternating them left and right so you can see both of them from the front. And then again, just using some Dollar Tree tan sand to fill in the beachy area like that. And I didn't want to use anything too tall because we're actually going to have the solar light inside this jar since it has the hinged lid and it's going to fit in there. So I just make sure I have enough sand, and then I can't have a beach without seashells. So I'm just going to scatter out some more of those little tiny seashells from the Dollar Tree. And then it's just a matter of attaching this to the inside of the lid. You're not really going to be able to see it, so I think black's going to be fine on this. I just put some hot glue around all four sides and glue that to the top of the jar like that. It's plenty wide enough to fit it inside. It's going to protect the solar light as well and keep it nice and dry, but it's still going to allow the sunshine to get to it and charge the solar light. So this was a super easy solar light DIY, really versatile. If you wanted to hang it, you totally could. Wrap some twine around there and make a hanger very easily, but I think this would be really cute for just like a little side table or even on the ground or patio area. And the flamingo looks really cute, lit up here at night. Very tropical, and I love pink flamingos. I'm going to have to do another pink flamingo DIY video for you guys. I know I have a lot of pink flamingo fans out there, just like me. But it was really easy DIY to make. And you could really display this anywhere. You could line it on your sidewalks, on your porch, even in a windowsill if you have a place that has good light to charge it. But I had to include this DIY for you because, of course, pink flamingo love here.